Good morning. I'm going to quickly walk you through one possible way to record your multimedia presentation for Art 315. And this is to use Zoom to record your presentation and to screen share your slides. If you want to try recording on Zoom, you can first make your PowerPoint or Google slide presentation. Do this ahead of time so that it's all ready to go. You either can print out your script so you can read from it, or have it open on your phone or a second device so you can read from it. But you can't have it open on your computer to read from it. So open your presentation so that it's ready to go. Close your email or anything else that will make an automatic noise, a chime if you get mail. Turn off your phone. And now go to CSUN Zoom and you can sign in. And then you're ready, you're going to host a meeting. At this point, you should be all ready to record, a quiet location where you won't be disturbed, your phone off, presentation ready, and your script ready to be read or printed out. So to record on Zoom, you're going to screen share. You're going to open your presentation to full screen, and then you're going to find a button that says More. And that will allow you to start recording. You're going to read your script. And then you're going to stop recording and end the meeting. And at that point, your recording will be saved. And so you might have to wait a minute for that to be saved, and then find your recording on your computer. So I'm going to very quickly walk you through these steps. Here's my presentation. And so I am going over here, and I'm going to Google CSUN Zoom .zoom.us. So I'm going to click on this link. And here is the CSUN Zoom page. And so you can sign in over here. You need your CSUN login and password in order to sign in. So I'm going to click on this tiny little red button in the upper right corner that says sign in right above the Matador's head. I'm signing in, and from here, now I've got some meetings set up, but don't worry about that. All I want to do now is to go up. Again, it's a tiny red button in the upper right-hand corner. It says host a meeting, and I'm not going to put my own face in this, although you're welcome to if you want. You could have yourself as a little talking head up in the corner. That's fine, but I'm going to do it with video off, and I'm going to allow it to open Zoom. So it's just loading right now. My computer, my internet's super slow. I'm going to click that launch meeting button and hope that it connects. It's doing that. So right now it's having me join the meeting. All right, so here I am in Zoom. And what I want to pick right now is to screen share. So this is basically, I'm in a little lonely Zoom meeting by myself. I can click this record button. So if you look down at this gray, dark gray bar on the bottom, it's kind of telling you what's going on. It's showing me that I'm on audio right now. I'm not on video. I can screen share and I can record. Now, if I click the record button right now, it's going to show me opening up my presentation, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to wait to record. So I'm going to click the green screen share. Now remember, I already have my PowerPoint or my Google slide presentation open because it's going to give me a choice of my open files. And so here it is. Here's my PowerPoint. I'm going to click on that one. And I'm going to say share. It's going to open it up, and I want this to be full screen. I don't want everybody to see, this other stuff. So I'm going to click on the full screen icon. And once this is in full screen, I'm going to clear my throat. Test, test, test. Okay, I'm all ready to go. Tell the cat to shut up. And then I'm going to float my mouse up to this button that says you are screen sharing. Once I float my mouse up there, it's going to open up another bar. And if I click on more, it's going to give me the option to record. So as soon as I push the record button, I'm going to start reading my script. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to have to float my mouse back up here. And then there'll be a button that says stop recording. So again, I'm just doing this you know, very quickly, you guys would actually be recording right now. So I'm going to click record, and I'm going to say, hello and welcome to my Art 315 multimedia presentation. My name is Julia Schlosser, and I'll be analyzing Rachel Reusch's painting from 1711 called Fruit and Insects. So at this point, I'm going to, for me, this is just a test, so I'm going to come back up here to the More button, and I'm going to say Stop Recording. I would do that at the very end. Then I can stop screen sharing, and at this point, once I've recorded my, my presentation, I can say End. So when I click End, I'm going to end the meeting for all. So watch what happens when I click End. I'm going to escape from my PowerPoint presentation. It is now converting this meeting. It's now recording this. So I'm letting it do this. You guys, if you record for 3 or 4 minutes, it's going to take much longer. You want to either take a screenshot or saving this, because this is where it's going to place your recording on your computer. So this is pretty important right here. I already know where this is, so I'm going to say save. You definitely want to say save because you want to save what was just recorded. And here it is. It's showing me where that is. So if I double click on this Zoom recording, the MP4 file, and I play it right now. Now mine's only 26 seconds long. That's because I was just doing a little quick test. And I'm going to say, hello and welcome to my Art 315 multimedia presentation. Okay, so obviously, you know, if I was really turning this in, I would redo that, so my entry was a little more smooth. But at this point, I have my recording done. And I can, right here, I can, because I'm using Quicktime on my computer, I can upload this to my YouTube right now. So I can click on the little upload, and I'm going to make this into an education video, and my title is going to be Art 315 Presentation. And for me, of course, this will just be a test. And I can put in my description in this presentation. I analyze Rachel Reusch's painting from entitled Fruit and Insects. All right, you can put in tags if you want. I'm not going to make this personal because I want other people to be able to see it. So I'm going to click the next button, and I'm going to say share. So right now this is going to be uploading my video to YouTube. I will come back and show you another way to upload to YouTube, but I just wanted to quickly walk you through how to record on Zoom. I hope this was helpful, and thanks very much.